Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we are here because we are going to be unboxing my June Stitch Fix box. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you, and you're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion. A stylist is paired with you, and he or she is going to send 5 items to you in your box. Those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, whatever you want. You're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you're going to decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from the box, then you get to apply the $20 styling fee. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee, which makes for a really good deal. The only way you lose your $20 styling fee is if you decide to keep nothing from your box. I don't have a styling fee because I signed up for the Style Pass over a year ago, and that allows me to pay a one-time fee of $49, and I can get unlimited fixes without having the obligation or feeling like I'm obligated to keep something from the box. However, with all the fixes I've done, there's never been a box where I haven't kept at least one item. So let's get into my box to see what I got for this month. When you open up the box, you're going to get the directions on what to do next. Checkout is online. Everything is super convenient. Inside the box, you're going to have the prepaid mailer, and this is used to return any items that you don't like, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll put them in this bag and send them back to Stitch Fix. You'll also get an envelope, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 22 for me. You're also going to get your style card with a note from your stylist. So I'm going to read my note real quick. It says, "Hey Jennifer, it's May, and I hope you had a fabulous Mother's Day weekend, even though it was a little bit different this year with everything going on." Now, I've had this box for a little over a week or so, so technically I got it at the end of May, but since I'm just now opening it, I'm calling it my June box. We did a drive-by to visit my mom and drop off sweet treats and a card. We live next to Mike's parents, so we just sat outside talking to them. It was very relaxing, and the Disney sing-along was on, so of course my 2.5-year-old daughter wanted to have popcorn in bed and watch it. Hee hee. I'm sorry you are probably doing virtual teaching. Officially, it's pretty much over. It's time for summer. Well, I'm glad that you loved your items in the last fix, and today I have a few more fun styles for you to try for the summer months ahead. I snagged you 2 pairs of jean shorts I found. One is a 7-inch inseam, and the other a 13-inch. I'm not sure about that 13-inch inseam. That might be a little bit too long for me. We'll see. I thought you'd love the comfy elastic waist of the pull-on shorts. What do you think? I hope you enjoy fix number 22. Warm wishes, Kara. And so here's my style card. And here's a look at my bundle. I like that pretty color right there. And I did ask for some jean shorts, but I also have in here a shoe bag, so we're gonna start with the shoe bag first. I got shoes last time too. So they are just a white sandal. Let's see what the tag says. The tag says Market and Spruce Wren Strappy Sandal in white, size 9, and this is what they look like, just a basic sandal. Those are cute. I usually like the sandals that have the little thong in between the toes, but we'll see. That could be good for church and for dressing up a little bit. So those are cute. We'll try those on. And now for this bundle. All right, the first item on the top is the Market and Spruce Hans Crochet front top in pink. And it looks like this. It's got that crochet front. There is a zipper on the back. Feels very soft on the back. The only thing I worry about is that it looks a little bit short, and I tend to like things that cover my bottom a little bit, so we'll see how that looks, but I like the color, and it's really cute. Try that on. Next is the Papermoon Egan One Pocket Knit Top in navy, and it looks like this. It almost looks like chambray, but it's not technically chambray. But it's a really pretty floral print with, it looks like jean, but it's not really a jean material. That is really pretty. And it's got this cute little keyhole in the back. So yeah, I like that. That looks long enough. Very cute. Next is the NYDJ Shea Pull-On Short in Indigo. And these are the one that have the 13-inch inseam. I do like the pull-on style, which is nice. We'll have to see where that hits on me. If it hits above my knee, I think I'll be okay. But if it hits below my knee, I think that would be kind of like an awkward length. I like the wash, and I think they're cute. I just need to see where they hit me on my legs. And then last but not least is the Just Black Issey Frayed Hem Bermuda Short in Indigo. And it's a lighter wash. And I like that little frayed bottom. And I did say that I need at least a 7-inch inseam, so hopefully those will fit. They feel very stretchy, which is good. So yeah, those are super cute. No distressing, just that frayed hem, but a lighter kind of medium wash. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try everything on. Be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back with the first 3 items, and so we're gonna start with the top. I have on the Papermoon Egan 1-pocket knit top in navy, and this is a really pretty top. It looks like it's a jean material, but it's very stretchy, very soft. The print is a raised print. Has a nice thick strap, so it is bra friendly. Comes down pretty long in the front, but also covers my bottom, which is good. So here's an up close of the print. I think it's really pretty. I like the colors in the print a lot. I think this is a good top for summer. On the bottom, I have the Issey Frayed Hem Bermuda Short in Indigo, and they are the 7-inch inseam, and so they hit, you know, a little bit above my knee, which is good. They have these little slips on the side, which are kind of cute, little extra detail here. But I think they are a good length. They are super stretchy, and they fit good. And I think they go really well with this little top too. And then the last thing I have on is the Market and Spruce Wren Strappy Sandal in white. And that's the sandals. I do think I'm gonna try to get you guys down a little bit closer, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back with the Wren Strappy Sandal by Market and Spruce, and they're just a basic white sandal. They have that little hole in the top right there with a little metal piece. They are comfortable, but they're not super squishy or anything like that, but they are a good, nice little dress sandal, I think, for church and things like that. So you guys tell me what you think. I'll be right back with the next 2 items. All right, guys, I'm back with the last 2 pieces, and we're gonna start with the top first. This is the Market and Spruce Hans Crochet front top in pink, and it's got that cute little crochet print right here. It does have a separate lining underneath of it, but the lining is attached on the sides and at the top, so that shouldn't be a problem. It comes down to about right here. I do normally like my tops to be a little bit longer, but this isn't too bad. It has a cute little zipper detail in the back right there. The back is very soft and the front is a crochet material. So I think it's cute. Tell me what you guys think about it. I love the color, but I'm just not completely 100% sure of what I think. I do think I like it. I think it's a little outside of my comfort zone because I'm used to having things much longer on me, but you let me know what you think, okay? And then on the bottom, I have the NYDJ Shea Pull-On Short in Indigo, and these were the 13-inch inseam shorts, and they come to right above my knee. And they do have the pull-on, let me pull that up there. They do have the stretchy pull-on, and they are super comfortable. I feel like they fit really well. Just not used to having, I'm used to either having a little bit shorter or a capri pant. So, but I think they are cute and they're a good color. And like I said, they are super stretchy, so I feel like they would be really comfortable to wear. And I still have on the sandals. They go with this outfit pretty well too. So, all right, guys. So I'll be right back to do a recap and to go over some prices. All right, guys, we're back to do a recap and to talk about some prices and to kind of let you know what I'm thinking at this point in time. But the first item on my list is the Market & Spruce Wren Strappy Sandal in white, size 9. And the cost of these sandals are $59, but shoes can tend to be a little bit pricey, but these would be good. I think you could dress them up for church or wear them casually with shorts and things like that. So they are cute. Tell me what you think about these sandals. My husband thought they looked good on. Next is the Market & Spruce Hans Crochet Front Top in pink, and this one is $58. And I really love the color of this. It's like a dusty rose pink. Cute little zipper detail. The only thing that I think was throwing me off a little bit about this was that I'm just so used to having longer tops, but I really think it was pretty on, and my husband thought it looked good on, so I like that. Next is the NYDJ Shea pull-on short, and these were in a size 10. And these were the ones with the 13-inch inseam, and I actually thought they ended up looking really good on. They hit right above the knee, and like my husband pointed out, he said you can roll them up more if you want them to be a little bit shorter, but they are the most expensive item in my box at $69. Next is the Papermoon Egan one pocket knit top in navy, and that is this top right here. And I really thought this was a really, really cute top, and it is the cheapest item in the box at $38. And then the last item was the Just Black Issey Frayed Hem Bermuda short in indigo, and these were also a size 10, and these were $58, and these were really cute. I thought they were really comfortable, stretchy. Both pairs of shorts were very comfortable, very stretchy. And she did what I asked her to. I said I needed some shorts and that I wanted at least a 7-inch inseam, and so she sent one that was 7 and one that was 13. And so she always does such a wonderful job. My stylist pick subtotal is $282. If I buy all 5, I get that 25% discount of $70.50, which would make the NYDJ, the Not Your Daughter's jean shorts, free. That would make the order subtotal $211.50. Shipping is free, and so that would be my final total since I don't have that $20 styling fee. Give me some opinions. I'm kind of going back and forth. Should I keep all 5 items, or should I just keep the frayed short, the tank top, maybe the sandals? I'm not sure. I like all of it. I really do. But I would really value your input as to what you think looked good on me so I can make a good decision before I send everything back. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments boxes below. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this. And I will leave my referral link. It will give you, I think, $25 off your first box. So that would waive your styling fee plus give you $25 to spend on anything in your box. So, well, until next time, bye guys.